it is original from 12th century. This is the tomb tower. Normally, we have three main shapes of tomb towers in Iran. One of them is actually like this, the round tomb towers. Some of them are hexagonal, or in most cases, octagonal shape. Later, we'll see actually that one. And the third type are those with, some niches in the corner. There is one niche here, another niche here, so it is not hexagonal or octagonal shape, but it has small niches also. And that was a tradition from early Islamic period, specifically 12th century and Seljuk period, and they built these towers for important people. In many cases, we don't know who is exactly buried here, but in some of them it's mentioned because we have calligraphy, like in this particular case. But it's mentioned the name of at the end of the line here, the name of the builder is mentioned and the dates. So we're sure that it's from 12th century, and we know who was the architect of the tomb tower. We don't know who is actually buried here. So that's the case for many tomb towers, even there is no gravestone like this in many tomb towers. So they could be very different.
Is there more than one person?
Sorry?
Is there more than one?
No, just one person. But we don't know who he is. That's why locals call it Pira al-Anbar, which means